UK certificate of residency will reduce your tax on Indian income. Obtaining certificate of residency from the UK can help reduce tax on income earned in India. This is possible through the double taxation avoidance agreement between the UK and India, which ensure that individuals or business do not pay tax twice on the same income in both countries. How it works? If you are a UK tax resident and earn income from Indian source, example bank interest, property, or any other business income, India may withhold tax on this income by providing a certificate of residence to the income tax office in India or bank. You can claim relief under the DTA. This allows for reduced rate of withholding tax on certain types of income, such as specified in the treaty. For example, interest and royalty income may taxed at lower rate, example 10 to 15% instead of 30%. Then the standard rate depending on the agreement. Once you present the certificate of residency along with the other document such as Form F, you can claim the tax treaty benefit and potentially lower the tax liability on your Indian income. This ensures you don't face double taxation between the UK and India. We have uploaded more than 900 video in our YouTube channel subject related to UK startup, business and tax.